Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are discussing two-way finite automata. First of all, we will see how this two-way finite automata works. It is a DFA in which tape head can move left as well as right. So I can simply show you here. Suppose this is a tape. These are the inputs or the symbols that we are using, and this is a tape head. Generally what happens in case of DFA, the tape head will move only in the forward direction. But in case of two-way finite automata, the tape head can move in right as well as the left direction. We discuss formal definition of two-way finite automata. So these are the tuples. Most of the tuples you know. First of all, Q is the finite set of states. Summation is the set of input symbol. Q0 is the initial state. F is the final state. The only difference lies in the transition function. Here the transition function is given as sigma colon gives Q into summation gives Q into left or right. It can be clear with the help of one example. So this is a two-way finite automata. This is initial state. This is final state. We discussed earlier in earlier videos that initial state will be represented with one arrow and final state will be represented with the double-headed arrow or double circle. Now you can see these are the states and these are the transitions. That is here the summation is, that is the inputs are 0 and 1, and the finite set of states, that is how many states are there, Q0, Q1 and Q2. Initial state is given here Q0, and final state, there is only one final state, that will be given as Q1, and transition function here is that we have to discuss now. You can see here how this machine is traversing from one input to another. So for processing a string, suppose we are provided with a string, this is 1, that is 1 0 1 0 0 1. Initially for state Q0, if we are provided with input 1, in that case the head will move towards right and we are moving to state Q1. So you can see here head is moving right and we are moving to Q1. So the input 1 is already processed, so that I have written on this left side. Now this part of the string is to be processed. Again in state Q1, if we provide input 0, the tape will move towards right and we will move to state Q1. So here 0 is processed now, that is two values are processed, that is 1 and 0 symbol is processed. We are in state Q1 and this part of the string is to be processed now, that is 1 0 0 1. Now in Q1, if we provide 1 as input, the tape head will move towards left. So this you have to consider. Tape head will move towards left and we will go to state Q2. So you can see here we are in state Q2 but the head is moved to left. So the part is to be processed here is from 0 1 0 0 1. Now in Q2, if we give 0 as input, the tape head will move towards right and we will be in state Q0. So again now we are in state Q0 and 1 0 is processed, and in Q0 this part is to be processed now, that is 1 0 0 1. In Q0, if we give 1 as input, in that case we are moving to right and we will be in Q1 state now. Now 1 0 1, these three values are processed and this part is to be processed now. Now in state Q1, if we give 0 as input, in Q1 if we give 0 as input, we are moving towards right and we will be in the same state. So you can see here this Q1 and we are in same state. I think this we have processed. We are in Q1 and this part is to be processed now. Now in Q1, if we give 0 as input, again we are moving to the next, we are in the same state and we are moving towards right. So the only thing is to be processed now is 1. In Q1, if we give 1 as input, in that case we are moving in state Q2 and one state left. So you can see here we are in state Q2, but the part to be processed is now 0 and 1. In Q2, if we give input 0, we will be moving towards right and we will be in state Q0. So we are in state Q0 and we have moved towards right. So the only part left is Q1 and Q0, and only part left is 1. Now in Q0, if we give 1 as input, we are moving towards right, and at the end what we are getting, state Q1. Okay, and now there is no symbol to be processed. So, and you can see here our Q1 state is the final state. That's why we can say that this string 101001 is acceptable by this two-way finite automata. And how this acceptability is decided? It will be decided based on, at the end you should reach in final state and there should not be any symbol left for processing. So this is how this two-way finite automata works. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.